Alright everyone, here we go. We've got the Mini number 6 $2,500 vacation voucher high roller mini. Thanks to everybody that got in on this. You guys rock. Got Derek, Mike, Catherine, Jennifer, Eric, Curtis, Tracy, and Chris. So here we go. Again, top spot on the final randomization gets 10 spots in the main. Second gets 5. Third gets 3. 4, 5, and 6 each get 1. So best of luck to everybody. Here we go. I'm just going to copy that. Actually. There we go. And giveaway. Alright, Derek, Mike, Catherine, Jen, Eric, Curtis, Tracy, Chris. And Derek, Mike, Catherine, Jennifer, Eric, Curtis, Tracy, Chris. So we do a dice roll. And number is 6 times. Oops. And let's get started. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and final round. Derek, Eric, Jennifer, Derek, Mike, and Chris. Congratulations, you guys. I will post this up. You can pick your spots in the main. Again, congratulations, and good luck to everybody. Thanks so much for playing.